what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world, we're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his free. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad and she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. Ashley, yo bitch added me. She all in my DMs sending snaps to me. I know you want her to come home, but she out with me.
What up though, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. You did what I'm saying. Hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button before we even get into the video. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? We having a little function at the crib today. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna bring you some footage of this shit. You know what I'm saying? I had to come over here because they got the music going in the back. So I don't know. Trying not to get copyrighted. You know what I'm saying? Because we need all them ads. We need all the dollars we can get. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we just about to come through, chill, little barbecue going on, you know what I'm saying? Some vibes. Nice ass day today. Is like probably like 75, 80 degrees. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna just enjoy the day, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, like I said, make sure you watch through the whole end. I mean, watch the video all the way through to the end. Don't skip no ads, don't skip no parts, you know what I'm saying? Turning up around this motherfucker, man. You know what I'm saying? You know how it goes. What's that motherfucking word, gang?
Everybody take a shot right now. If I don't see everyone picking up their cups and taking a shot,
It's 7
then you
o'clock.
need to go.
You need to leave. I'm gonna call the security.
What time is it?
It's fucking shot o'clock. I don't think you guys heard me.
Put the music on.
I'm done.
Is y'all listening to what's going on right now? Everybody need to take a shot. You feel me? It's
Everybody
9
needs
o'clock.
to take a shot.
Everybody pull up. We about to take a drink.
You doing business?
Where the music at? Where the DJ? Drop that shit, DJ.
What do you want us to do?
Show what you working with. Hit me up after. We'll be out all day.
Okay, are you guys gonna be here? Or you think you're gonna see myself?
I mean, I'd imagine around 8 or 9. We're probably gonna go. Hit me up when you get out here. And we'll link
Just our cute face. That's all we work
Face
with.
card. Face card.
Yeah. What do you do? YouTube? Or you just? Oh, okay.
What is this?
It's a microphone.
Oh no shit, really? Oh, that's dope. That's dope. That's cool. Hey, let me see somebody chase him. Where's that chase?
Everybody say happy birthday Friday one time!
Say happy birthday, Freddie. Hey! Happy birthday today, everybody. Happy birthday! Alright. Just so y'all guys know, it is about to rain on this parade in the next 30 minutes. I know you feel that moisture in there? That is not condensation. That is definitely So
It's not just condensation. That bitch is a draw.
So what we about to do, we gonna move everything to the pool. We're going to the pool. We want to relocate. We gotta relocate to the pool, to the inside, you know what I'm saying? If you made it this far in the video, man, thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all tuning into the channel, always rocking with your boy, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to give y'all a quick channel update and just life update on what's been going on, you know what I'm saying? I want to keep my people in tune on what's going on and what the word is, you know what I'm saying? Right now, just in the hot tub, you know what I'm saying? It's early, but it ain't really early for real, you know what I'm saying? But we got some good orange juice in the cup. That's all I'm drinking right now, orange juice. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. Appreciate y'all tuning into the channel. Like I said, man, I just wanted to give y'all a quick channel update, quick life update, what's been going on. So since I went to Miami, I told myself when I came back from Miami, like I was finna change up my diet again and go back vegan. If you're not hip to the channel, if you're a new watcher, you know what I'm saying, go back and watch some of my old videos. But you know what I'm saying, I had went vegan for like 3 months. I noticed I started losing weight, So I said I was done being vegan. And now, after I came back from Miami, I decided to go vegan again because I had to realize that just because I lost weight when I started my vegan journey, that don't mean that I was gonna continue to lose weight. I had to realize like that was just my body getting rid of all the bad shit and all the toxins and all the shit that was in my body that wasn't supposed to be there. So since I've came back from Miami, since I've been back here in the city, and I've been back on my vegan journey, I actually gained 15 pounds. So I want y'all to see, you know what I'm saying, what it looks like, you know what I'm saying. I'm still a slim built nigga, you feel me? But I feel like I got, you know what I'm saying, my definition back in, you know what I'm saying, a little bit different, you know what I'm saying. Y'all niggas might be on the camera looking like, man, this nigga skinny as hell, but I definitely put on some weight, you know what I'm saying, definitely put on some muscle and some mass. Since I've been back here, I've been on that gym heavy, so y'all about to see more gym videos and shit like that. Speaking of the content, a lot of different content finna come to the channel. I know y'all been wanting to see car content. I know my OG subs, what the fuck? My OG subs, you know, I know y'all want to see car content, so the weather's starting to change, it's starting to get warmer. Next week is supposed to be warm all week, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the Charger next week. And start touching it up so I can rewrap it. So I want y'all to be ready for that because that's gonna be epic. What else we got coming to the channel? Oh, I'm working on a podcast, so be looking out. You know what I'm saying? I'm really working on this podcast. We just got a few more pieces of the puzzle to put together, and then this podcast should be on and popping. But also too, make sure y'all looking out for the music because I'm gonna be dropping music on the channel too soon, music videos, everything. So make sure y'all stay tuned in, stay rocking with your boy, you know what I'm saying. I'm finna go back in full grind mode, dropping these videos. Feeling better again, I'm feeling good, you know what I'm saying. Every time on this vegan lifestyle, you know, I have way more energy, I just feel better, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's what it is, man. But yeah, your boy just been chilling. Hope y'all been there watching these videos, tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all been tuning in to the channel, watching the videos, you know what I'm saying? Cause we about to go crazy, and I just been networking, and you know what I'm saying, and putting a lot of plays together. So just stay tuned, man. We finna go up. That's the only way, you know what I'm saying? The only way we could go is up from here. So like I said, man, I appreciate everybody tuning in, rocking with your boy. Oh, also we got those giveaways coming up soon. Just stay tuned in with the channel, man. We got a lot of shit coming. That's why I want to do this video and just let y'all know what's been going on, what's coming up to the channel, so y'all can, you know what I'm saying, be prepared for this shit. So I'm trying to think, is there anything else coming to the channel that I want to tell y'all about? Oh yeah, we got a couple more things, but that's secret. I'm gonna surprise y'all with that, you know what I'm saying. So I can't give away all the sauce, but yeah, man, just make sure y'all stay tuned in. Make sure y'all watching the channel. I appreciate everybody that subscribed. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Most of the people that's watching the channel is new people to the channel. So if you're new, man, and you made it this far in the video, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all gonna do nothing but help me, you know what I'm saying, by doing that. And I ain't doing nothing but helping, you know what I'm saying, helping the city, helping people to see the city in a different light, you know what I'm saying, and also showing, you know what I'm saying, the youth and the younger generation, you know what I'm saying, we can get this money in different ways, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so man, hey, make sure y'all tune in with your boy. But just like that, man, we up out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because all of us got YouTube channels.
Yeah, bitches money time. I've been getting money, that's the only thing that's on my mind. Bitches money talk. If you ain't got no money, you can fucking walk. I've been getting all this green like the fucking hawk. Need them greens and them blues, I need it in bulk.